Formation of company. We know that there are three stages in the formation of company. The first stage is promotion, then incorporation or registration, and then commencement of business. A private company can start its business after receiving certificate of incorporation from registrar. And after receiving certificate of commencement of business, it can start its business. So a private company has to follow number of stages minimum than the public company. While going through these stages, a company has to file number of documents to the registrar. So what are these documents we are going to study today? Hello students. Today's lesson is about the documents that we are to file with the registrar while formation of company. So the first document is Memorandum of Association, second is Article of Association, and the third one is Prospectus. So Memorandum of Association, it is the main document, Memorandum of Association, and it tells about the objectives of the company. Why we are going to start a company? What's the aim of the company? That is told in this Memorandum of Association. So in Memorandum of Associations there are 6 clauses that we write. First clause is name clause. जैसे कि नेम क्लॉज नाम ही बता रहा है आपको, नेम क्लॉज मीन्स यहाँ पे इस क्लॉज में हम नेम लिखते हैं. सो व्हेन द नेम इज रिटन इन द मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन, in this clause we write the name of the company. So name is the identification. So it works, name clause means the name is written. So while choosing the name of the company, we have to follow some number of rules and regulations. The name of the company should not be resemble like other companies' name. So it should not be like the name of king, queen, just like queen, imperial. So these names are prohibited. Next is situation clause. What does it say? It says that situation means the place. So where the company is situated is the situation clause that is defined under the situation clause. So the situation clause tells about the place of the company. The main registered office of the company is situated in this place. So the situation clause is mainly about the registered office. So the company's other branches can be here and there, but situation clause tells about the nationality or the registered office of the company. So nationality we can say from the name of the company or from the situation of the company, that where it is situated, we can judge that whether it is an Indian company or foreign company. Next is object clause. ऑब्जेक्ट क्लॉज, जैसे कि आपको नेम से पता चल रहा है ऑब्जेक्ट क्लॉज. ऑब्जेक्ट क्लॉज में हम ऑब्जेक्ट लिखते हैं. दैट मीन्स कि हमारे पास हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है, हम शेयर इशू कर रहे हैं, डिबेंचर्स इशू कर रहे हैं, देन पब्लिक की पॉलिसीज क्या होंगी. ऑब्जेक्ट क्लॉज दैट वी राइट इन द ऑब्जेक्ट क्लॉज. नेक्स्ट इज लायबिलिटी क्लॉज. So liability means a company may be limited by shares or may be limited by guarantee. So we write in the liability clause whether a company is limited by shares or limited by guarantee. When a company is limited by shares, जब भी एक कंपनी शेयर्स के थ्रू लिमिटेड होती है, तो जब भी एक शेयर होल्डर को पे करना होता है तो वो शेयर की अमाउंट पे करता है. बट अगर एक कंपनी लिमिटेड बाय गारंटी है, देन ही पेज गारंटी टू पे द अमाउंट टू द कंपनी. Next is capital clause. So it tells about the capital, share capital of the company. What is the authorized capital of the company? What is the authorized capital, or you can say registered capital? So you can't issue more than authorized capital, the shares, to the public. But in some cases it can be, but by the passing the resolutions. Next is association and subscription clause. So it is the clause where all the signatories they sign the memorandum of association and they show their intention to participate in the company and to work for the company. So these are the clauses, 6 clauses I have defined, but these clauses you can read in your books in elaborate way. So next is article of association. This is the supportive documents of memorandum of association. So memorandum of association is the main document, whereas article of association is the supportive, or you can say assisting document. Article of association tells about the internal rules and regulations that company is going to follow. So it is about the internal rules of the company. The following points are mentioned generally in company's article of association. So let's see what are these points. First is mode of ratification of preliminary contracts. If preliminary contracts are there, how these contracts will be ratified. For example, if we want to change some contract of the company, so how the contract will be changed or ratified. The mode of ratification means the method of rectification. So how the ratification or change will be made. Second is division of various types of shares and right of shareholders. So how the shares will be divided means what type of shares the company is going to issue. Shares can be of various types. So whether the company is issuing preference shares or equity shares, so what type of share the company is going to issue, and what will be the right of shareholder, what amount the shareholder is being receiving from the company, and third one is mode of issue and allotment of share. So if the company is issuing share to the public, so mode of issue, how the shares will be issued to the public and how the allotment will be made. Issuing means, suppose a shareholder invests in the company, and mode of issue means how the shares will be issued and method of issuing share, and then allotment of shares, how the shares will be allotted. For example, whether a shareholder will allot shares as he demanding or not. Fixation of minimum subscription. What will be the amount of minimum subscription? So here minimum subscription is already told to you. What is the minimum subscription? The less amount that a company decide from its public to be received, and after receiving this amount, company start its further process. Next is method of issuing share certificates. So what are the methods? What are the methods for issuing share certificates? Next is rules regarding calls on shares. A share is divided into different calls. For example, if the value of the share is ₹10 and a person is buying 500 shares of a company, then he will not pay the full amount at once. He will pay the amount of the shares in calls. That means, firstly, when he applies in the company, he will pay the application money, then allotment money, and then the company as required will call the amount from the shareholder, and the shareholder will pay according to that call the amount to the company. So these are the rules. So rules regarding calls on shares. What are the rules regarding the calls on shares? This is defined in the article of association. Mode of increase, decrease or restructuring the share capital. If you want to increase the share capital or decrease the share capital and want to change the share capital, how it will be done? This is defined in the article of association. Payment of underwriting commission. So this is the payment of underwriting commission. The brokerage will be given as shares. So these are known as underwriters. That means as brokerage we give the shares as brokerage. Payment of commission and brokerage on shares and debentures. What will be the payment of commission and brokerage on shares? The shares, for its sale, the brokerage is given. So payment of commission and brokerage on shares and debentures. Consolidation and division of shares. How the shares will be divided or consolidated. Next is rules regarding meeting of company, quorum, adjournment, proxy, poll and chairman. What are the rules regarding these meetings or different proxy, poll and chairmanship? So appointment of auditor. How the auditor will be appointed? What will be their powers and what will be the duties of auditors, and what will be the remuneration that will be given to auditor. So there are so many points more than these that are described in the article of association. So these points can be changed because this is rules, and these are defined rules and regulations between the company and the persons who are ruling the company. So these are in between rules, internal rule we can say of the company, and these can be changed according to requirement. So further there are so many rules, we can say rules regarding use of common seal, method of keeping writing books of accounts, capitalization of profits, rules regarding proposals, voting right of members, power of taking loans, further on which the members are agree that are included in the company's articles of association.
Next is prospectus. The prospectus is for advertisement purpose, or we can say a public company when issue share to the public. So it is the invitation to the public and it invites the public for the subscription or for the investment in the company. So prospectus works as an ad because everything that belongs to company is written, is mentioned in this prospectus. So in this documents mainly these things I have written here, the main objects. We write the main objects of the company. What are the main objects of the company? Why the company has started? What's the aim behind the starting of company is written in the prospectus. Next is share capital. What is the share capital of
company. So what will be the issued capital, or we can say in subsequent steps what we are demanding from the public in step by step way. So next is managerial personnel. So this is this managerial personnel means what are the who are the persons that are that are giving services to the company, or doing act under the management, or you can say doing act as management or doing act as director. So managerial personnel, we can say managers, directors, all are defined here. Their names, their addresses are also defined. Next is minimum subscription. So in the last video I have told that what is minimum subscription. Minimum subscription means this is the minimum amount that is required at the time of applications. So minimum subscription means that much is the amount for a company, it decides the amount. So that amount is decided as the minimum subscription. Before receiving minimum subscription from the persons, from the public, they can't start their company. So next is application and allotment money. So application means the public is invited to invest in the company. When they invest in the company, that means this is the application amount. That means they are applying in the company for investment. And then allotment, when we allot them shares. For example, a person wants some more shares in the company, but we are not able to give him, and we are not agree to give him those much shares. So we allot him shares. So this is known as allotment money. So the allotted shares are can be less than the applied amount. So the allotment money means the shares that are allotted to you is the allotment money. So next is share premium. Share premium means what will be the premium amount a shareholder will get from the company. So these are some things that I have written here, some points that will come under the prospectus. So these are the documents that one should file with the registrar while doing formation of company.